Today, I'm going to show you how to run itch.io games on Windows step by step in a way that's simple, fast, and beginner friendly. If you've ever found a game on itch.io and weren't sure what to do after downloading it, this video will clear everything up. We'll go from finding the game on the website to downloading it, extracting the files, and finally launching the game on your Windows PC. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this one. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the itch.io website. Once you're there, use the search bar to find the game you want to play. You can type in the name of the game or browse through the site if you're still deciding what to download. When you find the game, click on it to open the game's page. On the game page, look for the Download Now button. This is the main button you'll use to begin the download process. Click Download Now, and itch.io may show you a pop-up asking if you want to leave a tip or support the developer. That's completely optional. If you don't want to pay, just click No thanks, just take me to the downloads. After that, you'll be taken to the download options. Click the download button for the version that works on Windows. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on the game, this might be a zip file or another compressed folder, which is totally normal. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saved the file. Find the downloaded game file, then right-click it and select Extract All. This step is important because many itch.io games come packed in a compressed folder and you need to extract the contents before you can run the game properly. When the extraction window appears, choose the location where you want the files to be unpacked or just use the default folder if that's easier. Then click Extract and wait a few seconds while Windows unpacks everything. After the files are extracted, open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll usually see several game files and one of them should be the main executable file. Look for game.exe and double-click it to launch the game. In some cases, the file name may be slightly different, but on many itch.io Windows games, game.exe is the file you want. If Windows shows a security warning, that can happen with downloaded files. Just make sure you downloaded the game from the official itch.io page and then continue only if you trust the source. Once the game opens, you're ready to play. And that's it. You've now learned how to run itch.io games on Windows from start to finish. Search for the game, download it, skip the tip if you want, extract the files, and run game.exe from the extracted folder. It's a really straightforward process once you've done it one time. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.